Imagine a tool that notifies potential customers the moment your product's price drops, without you spending a dime on marketing. That's the power of Google Chrome's Price Tracker, an innovative way to boost your e-commerce sales effortlessly. Google Chrome's Price Tracker is a revolutionary feature seamlessly integrated into the Chrome browsing experience. This tool allows users to track product prices and receive alerts on any notable price drops, providing immense potential for e-commerce growth. Users receive real-time push notifications or periodic email updates whenever a tracked product's price drops significantly. These timely alerts ensure users are instantly informed, increasing the likelihood of immediate purchasing action. The backend technology combines web scraping and machine learning to monitor prices effectively. Google's algorithms detect noteworthy price reductions and trigger notifications, ensuring that users only receive valuable alerts. Unparalleled reach. The tool connects your products with an entirely motivated consumer base, actively searching for the best deals. These consumers are pre-qualified and have shown prior interest in your product category, making them prime potential buyers. Every alert sent by Google's Price Tracker works as a promotional message. This tool increases your brand's visibility organically, serving as a free marketing channel that requires no additional investment. Ensure your product listings are complete and engaging by using high-quality visuals and informative descriptions. Employ relevant keywords to enhance product discovery, thereby driving conversions following an alert. Regularly track click-through and conversion rates associated with price drop alerts. This data helps adjust your marketing strategies and refine product listings for maximum effectiveness. Consider time-limited offers and flash sales, which can trigger alerts and drive immediate interest in your products. Such promotions align well with the alert system, optimizing marketing impact. User-controlled alerts mean that users receive meaningful and non-intrusive notifications. This customization enhances the overall consumer experience and strengthens engagement. With the ever-evolving digital landscape, staying informed of market trends is crucial. Regularly update strategies in line with user behaviors and feedback to remain competitive and relevant. Utilize Google Chrome's Price Tracker as an integral component of your marketing strategy to engage a receptive audience without extra costs. Embrace this tool to drive business growth efficiently. Ready to leverage Google's powerful price tracking tool? Integrate this strategy into your efforts today and see how effortlessly it can elevate your sales performance. Stay ahead of the competition by embracing innovative solutions like Google Chrome's Price Tracker. To learn more about e-commerce marketing, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.